On the fields of Trenzalore, a question will be asked. A question that must never, ever be answered.
The first question. The oldest question in the universe, hidden in plain sight.
I'm the Doctor.
I'm the Doctor.
I'm the Doctor. I'm the Doctor.
I'm the Doctor.
Hello, I'm the Doctor.
I'm the Doctor.
I am the Doctor.
Doctor Who?
Danger.
The Doctor has a secret, you know.
This is a warning.
He has one he will take to the grave.
Doctor!
Doctor!
You call yourself Doctor. Why do you do that? You have a name.
So many secrets, Doctor.
Run.
Run, you clever boy.
Then run!
Doctor. The man who keeps running.
You can't run forever.
You can't run away from this.
I've been running all my life. Why should I stop? I genuinely
My time is running out.
It's more than just a secret, isn't it?
Get out of my head!
I am the Doctor, and I am afraid.
Secrets protect us. Secrets make us safe.
Silence will fall.
When the question is asked.
Doctor Who?
Doctor Who?
Doctor Who! Doctor Who?
Doctor. What is your name?